Okay.
Please come.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Okay, clap 60 times.
60 times. 60 times.
You're too old.
Yay! 60 times. 60 times.
Happy birthday.
Okay, Kurt, there's a rumor that you were the speechwriter for Washington. We're just trying to confirm
You're
that.
so old.
George Washington, that'd be good.
Yeah, something like that.
You're so old.
Yeah, what's the...
You're so old, you were there at the signing of the Magna Carta.
That's right, and the Declaration of Independence. How about
And you sat next to Jesus in school.
You're old.
We got those off the internet, so there you go.
Hope you have a great birthday.
See ya.
Bye.
Have fun tonight.
Have fun. Okay, get off now.